yellow top missing. Yep, the stuff look like a too bad. I got what you got in 10 years can do this. I like your head to say hi to that. I'm done. No, you don't got done. Let's go. So I'm feeling like I'm running and I feel like I gotta get away. But I know what I don't want to stop because you know I'm gonna win another day. So they don't want to see when I'm popping. Just know that you will never stop me. And I know that I feel like cocky. Then I gotta get it, then I gotta blow it, then I gotta shop it, and then I gotta get it, doing stuff. Oxygen. Okay. Is that right? I'm fresher than a lot. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for having me. Once again, thank you, Jimmy. Please follow me. Thank you.
Once again, Mike and Jimmy, thank you so much.
Gigunting pa ang sticker.